I decided to skip ahead to part 4. Oh, crunchy, crunchy. Crunchy, crunchy. I don't know if I uploaded that video of when she's outside. She's an indoor cat. Both is what I like to say, but yeah. If she wasn't outside with a leash on, she would be like this with a leash on outside. It's not like she likes it outside in the cold. I only bring her out when it's nice out. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot to say that when Elsa goes off, that's just annoying. I don't know what happened there. I think there was a light there. I don't know. Because look. But, so yes, I just decided to skip ahead to part 4, like I said in the beginning. Buddy, I don't think they scribbled on the wall. So yeah. Donald's fault. Ow! Okay, it's not Donald's fault, it's... I don't even know how I did it. But yeah. Here's a tutorial on how to play It's the Final Countdown. I haven't done it in a couple of years, so I've got to say it's gonna be pretty much a bad playing. Like, yeah. Bad playing. Okay, I don't know. I still want to do a jump cut, but I just don't really have the time for it. Okay, that's like... Okay, I don't even know. Why is that broken?
Wish to know more about an image you come across? Just send it on over to us. Who knows? We might even feature it in one of our videos. This image is of a young man from India with his rare disease that went viral after wowing medical experts. He has suffered for more than a year from a disease called odontoma, a benign tumor that causes the appearance of irregularly shaped teeth. He had up to 232 teeth sized between 0.1 millimeter to 3 millimeters inside his mouth and was brought to the hospital with severe swelling in his jaw. It took 7 hours.